Technology in our present world has a great impact in the way we live. It is constantly evolving and improving to extreme levels. Mechanical devices such as computers, mobile phones, MP3 players, iPods, TVs, cassette players, all these mechanical devices have one major common component, which is a speaker, and possibly microphones, which both share the same fundamental principle. In 1831, a British physicist that went by the name Michael Faraday proposed his laws concerning electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction is the fundamental principles that is applied in speakers and microphones as well. These are his three laws. A change in magnetic field induces an electromagnetic force in a conductor. The electromagnetic force is directly proportional to the rate of change of the field. The direction of the induced EMF depends on the orientation of the field. Yo bro, I didn't understand a single word you said. And what does Friday got to do with microphones and speakers? I didn't say Friday, I said Faraday. Michael Faraday is the scientist that introduced these laws. Okay, I'm sorry. Could you explain, please? Right then, I'll explain it to you simply and quickly. So therefore, forget about his fields, forget about whatever he said, forget about Friday and Faraday as well. Here is a diagram which I drew, which basically has a diaphragm, and a diaphragm is connected to coils. These coils are supplied with an alternating current. This alternating current allows the current to go in one direction and go in another direction, and therefore we understand from our studies that when you have a current going through a coil, and this coil has a magnetic field, and when you have an alternating current, magnetic field, the polarity of the magnetic field will alternate, and therefore these coils will create this magnetic field. But within these coils is a magnet, and therefore when this magnet has its own field, so therefore there's going to be a rate of change of magnetic flux, which was Faraday's law, and therefore from using Fleming's left-hand rule, there's going to be force applied to this diaphragm, and this diaphragm will therefore vibrate and causes the air particles to vibrate, creating sound. And for a microphone, sound is created which allows the diaphragm to vibrate, and the coils will vibrate within the magnet, and therefore you have an induced EMF, which the scientist calls lens, which elaborates on this. So that is the basic fundamental principles and a basic diagram for you to understand it. Thank you for watching my podcast.